Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download the Crunchyroll app in your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your Play Store app and simply type in the app name Crunchyroll on your search bar. So once you type in Crunchyroll, all you need to do is search for the app. So once you find it, you need to tap on it and press on the install button. So once you press the install button, in a matter of minutes, your app will get downloaded in your mobile phone. So once your app gets downloaded, all it needs to do is get installed in your device. So once the installation starts, in a matter of seconds, it will get completely installed and automatically you will be redirected to a security scan. So once the app passes the security scan, it will open in your device. So this is how you download the Crunchyroll app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.